Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get alerted every time. So first of all, मैं 8 साल का हो गया हूँ. I have turned 18. I have turned 18. वो 15 साल का हो गया है. He has turned 15. He has turned 15. मैंने कदमों की आवाज़ सुनी. I heard a footfall. I heard a footfall. वो सारे दिन बहुत चुप सा लगा. He seemed very aloof all the time. And you can say he seemed very quiet all the time. मुझे बच्चों का तुतलाना पसंद है. I like the lisping of children. I like the lisping of children. मैंने उम्मीद के मुताबिक काम नहीं किया. I didn't work up to the par. And you can say I didn't work up to the expectations. यही किताब तो मैं चाहता हूँ. This is the very book I want. This is the very book I want. वो भाई की मौत की वजह से सदमे में थी. She was in a shock due to her brother's death. She was in a shock due to her brother's death. मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है. I have to unravel this enigma. And you can say I have to solve this puzzle. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. I will always stand by you. And you can say I will always be there with you. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him lately या recently? Have you seen him lately या recently? फिलहाल तुम यहाँ इंतज़ार करो. For the time being you wait here. For the time being you wait here. फिलहाल मैं तुम्हें ये किताब दे रहा हूँ. I am giving you this book for the time being. I am giving you this book for the time being. सुमित आसपास नहीं दिख रहा है. सुमित is not seen around. सुमित is not seen around. वे आसपास नहीं दिख रहे हैं. They are not seen around. They are not seen around. चलो टहलते हैं. Let's stroll. And you can say let's walk. ये किताबें मेरे किसी काम की नहीं. These books are of no use to me. These books are of no use to me. भारत ऑस्ट्रेलिया के विरुद्ध लड़खड़ा रहा है. India is tottering against Australia. India is tottering against Australia. उसने अपनी मेहनत से अपनी गरीबी को अमीरी में बदल दिया. He changed his adversity into prosperity with his hard work. He changed his adversity into prosperity with his hard work.